This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the Titanium Stick 225 rod matches the alloy and thickness. This ensures proper fusion and brittle-free welds. Once done, clean the joint thoroughly, wire brush, solvent, and a dry rag, because contamination ruins titanium welds. Next, set your machine to roughly 70 to 90 amps for common thin sections and fit a suitable electrode holder and ground clamp close to the joint. Begin a short tack at each end to control distortion. These first arcs establish proper bead travel and heat control. You now focus on consistent motion and arc control. Hold a short 1/8 to 3/16 inch arc and use short, overlapping passes to maintain even heat. Move with a steady forward travel speed, about 10 to 20% slower than you would on steel, to promote uniform penetration without burning through. Rotate the rod slightly as you go to keep flux workable and prevent sticking, and pause briefly between passes to let the weld cool enough to avoid warping. Make sure to inspect bead profile and adjust travel or amperage as needed. To finish, let the weld cool gradually in clean, dry air. Avoid quenching, which induces stress and cracking. Once cooled, remove slag gently with a brass brush or light chipping hammer and inspect the bead closely for porosity, undercut, or lack of fusion. If you find porosity, stop and reclean the parent metal and rod area thoroughly, then re-weld at a slightly reduced amperage to reduce turbulence and gas entrapment. A common quick fix: lower current by 10% and slow travel to refill voids without overheat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.